Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will review about upcoming Hyundai Palisade car. The Hyundai Palisade is the brand's latest flagship SUV. Based on a new platform, the SUV was first showcased at the 2018 Los Angeles Auto Show. It began arriving at dealerships in select international markets like the US in summer 2019. Hyundai Palisade engine. The global spec Palisade is powered by a 3.8-liter Atkinson cycle V6 petrol engine that is tuned to produce 291 PS and 355 Nm. It is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission with a multi-plate torque converter. It is offered in both front-wheel drive and 4WD variants. Hyundai Palisade features. The Palisade has 3 rows of seats and capacity for up to 8. It is a premium offering with premium features such as leather upholstery, dual-panel sunroof, power folding and reclinable second and third row seats, ventilated seats up front and second row captain seats too. The top-spec Palisade also gets a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with BlueLink connected car technology, wireless phone charger, numerous USB charging ports in all rows, 12-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. For driver convenience, this flagship gets a head-up display and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster too. It also gets a surround view monitor for ease of navigating in tight spaces. Hyundai Palisade safety features. Hyundai offers the US spec Palisade with numerous safety and driver assist systems including blind spot collision avoidance, driver attention warning, lane keeping assist and more. It gets ABS and disc brakes on all 4 wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, traction control and vehicle stability management too. The Palisade also gets 7 airbags. Specification of Hyundai Palisade. Fuel type diesel. Engine displacement 3,800 cubic centimeters. No of cylinder 4. Max power 287 bhp at 6,000 rpm. Seating capacity 7. Transmission type automatic. Body type SUV. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my